Electric wheelchairs are more advanced than ever, offering a perfect blend of comfort, portability, and smart control features to support everyday mobility and independence. From lightweight foldable designs for travel to powerful all-terrain models, today's options are built to suit different lifestyles and needs. We're counting down the 5 best electric wheelchairs that stand out for their performance, durability, and ease of use, helping you move with confidence and freedom. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Baichen BC-EC8003 Electric Wheelchair. Mobility products are often judged purely on functionality, but the most impressive designs are the ones that combine independence, portability, strength, and modern engineering into something that genuinely improves day-to-day life without feeling bulky or limiting. This model immediately stands out because it appears built around exactly that philosophy. Rather than resembling the heavy, industrial electric wheelchairs many people still imagine, it presents a far more refined, travel-focused approach that emphasizes lightweight engineering, compact storage, and practical powered mobility. The most striking feature is undoubtedly the carbon fiber construction. Material choice makes an enormous difference in mobility equipment, and carbon fiber instantly signals a more premium design direction. Traditional electric wheelchairs can be extremely heavy, making transport, storage, and travel far more challenging. Here, the weight without battery is listed at only 12.5 kilograms, which is remarkably light for an electric-powered wheelchair. That kind of weight reduction transforms usability, particularly for users or caregivers who need to lift, store, or move the chair regularly. A lighter frame can dramatically reduce daily frustration while improving travel convenience. Portability appears to be a central strength. The folding design makes this much easier to store in vehicles, compact living spaces, or travel environments where larger mobility equipment becomes impractical. The folded dimensions reinforce that travel-friendly identity, suggesting a product designed with mobility beyond simple indoor movement. For users who value freedom to move between home, appointments, outings, or travel situations, this portability could be one of the most meaningful benefits. Performance also looks confidently capable. Dual 250-watt brushless motors suggest strong propulsion power with smoother and potentially more efficient operation compared to simpler motor configurations. Brushless systems are generally appreciated for quieter performance, lower maintenance demands, and improved durability, which makes them especially appealing in mobility applications where reliability matters. The 140-kilogram weight capacity also broadens accessibility, making the chair suitable for a wider range of users without feeling overly specialized. Pros: carbon fiber, ultra-lightweight, folding design, remote control. Cons: limited battery capacity, premium cost. Number 4. Baichen BC-EA8000 Electric Wheelchair. Choosing an electric wheelchair is never just about mobility. It is about independence, confidence, practicality, and how seamlessly the equipment fits into everyday life. This model presents itself as a thoughtfully engineered balance between durability, portability, and powered convenience, making it particularly appealing for users who need dependable electric mobility without stepping into oversized or overly cumbersome designs. Rather than feeling like purely institutional equipment, it appears built with real-world daily usability in mind. The first feature that immediately deserves attention is the high-strength aluminum alloy construction. Material selection matters enormously in mobility equipment because it directly affects durability, weight, portability, and long-term practicality. Aluminum alloy offers an excellent balance between structural strength and manageable weight, making it a practical choice for electric wheelchairs that need to remain dependable without becoming excessively heavy. At 26 kilograms, this is not ultra-light compared to premium carbon fiber alternatives. But for a powered electric wheelchair with meaningful endurance and dual motors, the weight remains very reasonable. Portability is clearly a major design priority. The folding structure dramatically improves convenience for users and caregivers who need to transport or store the wheelchair regularly. Electric wheelchairs can often feel intimidating due to their bulk, but the compact folded dimensions make this model much more manageable for vehicle transport, home storage, or travel-related use. That kind of practical portability can make a significant difference in how often the wheelchair comfortably fits into everyday activities rather than becoming a logistical challenge. Performance appears confidently capable thanks to the dual motor setup. Two 24-volt 300-watt drive units suggest stronger propulsion than many lighter mobility-focused options, which can translate into smoother acceleration, improved terrain handling, and better user confidence. For users navigating varied indoor and outdoor surfaces, dependable motor power is not simply about speed, but about consistent movement without hesitation. The adjustable 5-gear speed system also improves flexibility, allowing users to match mobility pace to their comfort and environment. With a maximum speed of 6 kilometers per hour, the chair feels safely practical rather than aggressively performance-focused. Pros: strong motors, folding portability, good range, warranty support. Cons: heavier build, moderate speed. Number 3, Perfcare Q208 electric wheelchair. Mobility solutions become truly compelling when they remove barriers instead of creating new ones. And this model clearly focuses on making powered independence far easier to carry, store, and use in everyday life. Many electric wheelchairs deliver functionality but remain heavy, awkward, or difficult to transport, which can reduce their practical freedom. This one takes a noticeably different direction, prioritizing lightweight portability while still preserving the powered assistance, safety, and usability expected from a modern electric wheelchair. The most immediately impressive characteristic is the weight. At approximately 15.4 kilograms without the battery, this sits in a remarkably travel-friendly category for powered mobility equipment. That difference matters far more than raw numbers suggest. A lighter electric wheelchair becomes dramatically easier for users, family members, or caregivers to lift into vehicles, move through storage spaces, or manage during travel transitions. For people who need mobility support without feeling tied to bulky equipment, lightweight engineering can significantly improve daily freedom. The quick folding design reinforces that portability-focused philosophy. Electric wheelchairs often create logistical headaches because transport becomes nearly as challenging as mobility itself. A design that folds rapidly and compactly makes spontaneous outings, appointments, family visits, and travel far more realistic. That kind of convenience turns powered mobility into something more adaptable, rather than restrictive. Although carbon fiber is highlighted in the positioning, the listed aluminum alloy frame suggests a structure focused on balancing strength, weight reduction, and durability. Regardless of branding language, the actual weight outcome is undeniably impressive for an electric mobility product. The build appears aimed at users who value manageable portability without sacrificing structural confidence. Performance-wise, the dual 150-watt brushless motor system appears sensibly configured for practical daily mobility. Brushless motors are a strong choice because they generally offer quieter operation, reduced maintenance demands, and smoother power delivery. While this is not an aggressive high-power mobility platform, the output feels entirely appropriate for indoor movement, smooth outdoor surfaces, and general day-to-day use. The speed range of up to 6 kilometers per hour keeps movement practical and safe while preserving independence. Pros: lightweight design, quick folding, brushless motors, electromagnetic brake. Cons: lower capacity, moderate power. Number 2, YouHuan YH-7001A electric wheelchair. For users who view an electric wheelchair not simply as a mobility aid, but as a daily independence tool, range, reliability, and structural confidence often matter more than flashy design details. This model appears to focus squarely on those practical priorities, offering a more endurance-oriented electric mobility solution that aims to balance strength, usable travel distance, and dependable powered performance. Rather than emphasizing ultra-compact minimalism, it presents itself as a sturdier everyday mobility platform for users who need confidence over longer distances. The most compelling feature is clearly the claimed travel range. A maximum distance of up to 25 miles immediately places this in a category that feels far more liberating than short-range mobility options. Real-world range naturally varies depending on terrain, rider weight, speed settings, and environmental conditions. But even allowing for practical variation, this suggests a wheelchair designed for meaningful daily movement rather than short indoor transitions alone. Longer endurance dramatically expands freedom, making shopping trips, appointments, outdoor outings, and extended daily routines much more realistic without constant concern about recharging. The 24-volt 12-amp-hour lithium battery contributes significantly to that endurance-focused positioning. Lithium battery technology remains highly desirable in mobility equipment because it offers stronger efficiency, lighter handling compared to older battery types, and better overall practicality for modern users. Combined with the advertised range, the battery configuration appears thoughtfully selected to support more active mobility expectations. Weight capacity is another notable strength. Supporting up to 150 kilograms, or approximately 330 pounds, makes this model accessible to a wider range of users than many lighter compact alternatives. Structural confidence matters enormously in powered mobility, and higher load support often signals stronger engineering intent. Users who need a more robust platform will likely appreciate that additional reassurance. Pros: long range, high capacity, strong frame, lithium battery. Cons: heavier build. Number 1 and the winner is EA8000 electric wheelchair. For users who want mobility equipment that blends powered convenience with modern smart control features, this model immediately stands out as a more technology-driven alternative to traditional electric wheelchairs. Rather than focusing solely on basic movement assistance, it appears designed to create a more flexible mobility experience where powered transport, remote accessibility, and folding practicality come together in a package aimed at modern everyday independence. The combination of app-based control and powered mobility gives it a distinctly contemporary identity compared to conventional mobility chairs. The most attention-grabbing feature is clearly the mobile app remote control functionality. Smart connectivity in mobility equipment can dramatically improve usability, especially for users who value easier positioning, caregiver assistance, or more flexible control methods. Being able to manage movement remotely adds convenience that traditional joystick-only systems simply cannot provide. For certain use cases, such as guiding the chair into position before sitting or assisting users with limited direct control strength, this feature could become genuinely valuable rather than merely a novelty. Power delivery also appears substantially stronger than many compact electric wheelchair designs. A 500-watt motor immediately suggests a more capable mobility platform, particularly when compared with lighter-duty systems designed primarily for smooth indoor movement. Greater motor output generally improves acceleration confidence, terrain handling, and overall movement responsiveness. Users dealing with mixed surfaces or outdoor routes may particularly appreciate that stronger propulsion capability. Battery capacity is another major strength. A 24-volt 20-amp-hour battery represents a significantly larger energy reserve than many portability-focused electric mobility options. Larger battery capacity generally translates into stronger endurance and longer practical range, making the chair more suitable for extended outings, daily errands, and outdoor movement where charging opportunities are less predictable. While exact distance figures are not listed, the battery specification strongly suggests this is designed for more serious mobility demands rather than minimal indoor convenience. Pros: app control, powerful motor, large battery, folding design. Cons: heavier build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.